All right, in this episode, we have the one and only Robert Mariano, the mayor of Dangriga, who at the age of 16 joined the Belize police force. Before he became the mayor, he has started a live weekly podcast on Facebook to discuss issues facing the Garifuna culture and overall the issues that Dangriga was facing as a growing city. Mr. Mariano is a progressive mayor who has taken Dangriga to the next level, not only by fixing its infrastructure, but also by working with forward thinking businessmen and entrepreneurs to find feasible solutions to the problems faced by a growing city. Let's listen. On the line, Mr. Robert Mariano, the mayor of Dangriga. Um, my name is Ronnie Figueroa, and the reason for my call is just to say hello